Next time you make chicken, try this easy and delicious recipe. Start by cutting 2 chicken breasts. Cut them into thin strips, then into cubes. Next, transfer them to a large bowl. Add 3 eggs. Season them with 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 pinch of black pepper, and mix until incorporated. After doing this, add parsley to taste, 1 tablespoon of mayonnaise, and mix again. Now, add 100 grams of grated mozzarella cheese and mix until incorporated. Take this time to share this video and write in the comment section the name of the city from which you're watching it, and we'll make sure to leave a heart especially for you. Oh, and thanks for sharing this video. Finally, add 5 tablespoons of wheat flour and mix once again. Have you got that recipe app? It's already available for download. With this app, you'll have access to all our recipes in the palm of your hands, and you'll get notified every time we upload a new recipe. In addition to all that, you'll also have access to an exclusive area in which you can bookmark your favorite recipes. Go to the App Store or Play Store now, type that recipe, and download it. This is the right mix. After doing this, in a large skillet over medium-low heat, add a drizzle of vegetable oil. And when this oil is hot enough, add the chicken mixture we prepared earlier. Shaping tablespoon-sized portions of this mixture into fritters and fry until golden on both sides. I hope you're enjoying the recipe. Share it with your friends. By doing so, you'll be helping us go even further. This is the right point. That recipe is ready. You may now serve and enjoy it. I hope you liked this recipe. Now I'll head to the comment section and leave a heart to everyone who left the name of their city. See you next recipe. Bye-bye.